Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with Gust & Cho Associates. Here at Gust & Cho Associates, we do a lot of unique loans that most banks don't do. So when I talk about the most common problems here going forward, it's not with all loans, it's with the loans that we're specializing in. So first step is I always see a lot of disputes on people's credit report. We got to get rid of those disputes before we even start the process. So try not to call us without those with disputes on your credit report, because I'm going to say we can't do anything until you remove them. So that's a big problem I see that holds up us pre-approving you. Another thing, I see a lot of student loan debts. That's something we can solve. That's something you need our advice for. So give us a call. We'll coach you through that. I see a lot of debt to income issues. People at high credit to balance issues that you can pay some debts down before you call us. That's A, fixes your DTI, and B, gets your score up. So there's a lot of problems I see. So people max down on their credit cards. That hurts your DTI and your credit score. So those are some more problems I see. I see people with job issues, not being able to show their taxes because they haven't filed them, or they write things off, or job gaps, or switching from 1099 to W-2 and back to 1099, and part-time to full-time to part-time. So I see a lot of job issues. So your stability of income is very important. And always remember, you can always switch to a W-2 full-time salary or 40-hour week job at any time and use that income. But you really can't go backwards from there. So if you're at a salary job and you take a commission job, I need 2 years of commission. You take a salary job and you go to a 1099, I need 2 years of 1099s. If you go from a W-2 job to opening your own business, I need 2 years of that business being open. So remember, it's very difficult to go from a W-2 job to a self-employed type job or variable income type job. Now, variable income might be part-time, it might be a commission. Like truckers, they drive per load, not per hour, and even though they're W-2'd, they're variable. So you can't go from a regular full-time job, 40 hours work week, to any type of variable income. So keep that in mind. I see a lot of problems with that. So if you're planning on switching a job and it's variable, it will hinder your ability to buy a house. So that's a lot of problems we see. I see a lack of credit open, not enough credit open, not enough trade lines open. So what a trade line is, if you open a credit card, that's a trade line. So I see a lot of people, they opened up 2 months ago, they have 3 credit cards opened up 2 months ago. That's not enough credit. You have to have something open for a little bit longer. I'm going to say a year for 1 card should be enough, or maybe 2 credit cards for 6 months might get away with it. So I'm seeing that's a major problem. I'm also seeing a lack of money in the bank account. Not enough cash to close, no source of down payment yet. No one really knows exactly how they're going to get it. Maybe you haven't lined up a gift. Nothing really solid when it comes to money in the bank. I see people putting cash in their bank, and you can't put cash deposits in your bank. So I asked for a 2 months bank statement. There's a lot of cash or Zelle payments. That could be a problem. So these are a lot of problems I see. If you think you got any of them, call me and I'll coach you how to undo or not to do some of these things before you start the process. So give yourself time to plan ahead and not have these problems, so they do get in the way of you getting approved. There's a lot more, but those are some of the most common that we have. If you got any questions, call me anytime. My phone number is 630-915-7550, and please subscribe.